So you think those harnesses saved you?
Oh yeah, 100%. If I would have had the regular buckle seat, I probably would have flew out the car.
All right, PRP. This one's for you, I guess. You guys saved this dude. No, you can get that fixed. Look at it. I'm down in it. It's this freaking tall. You can just barely see that. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
We went inside a dip. We went inside a dip.
I know. Dude, I tell people all the time. That's what I was just telling them on the video. These things are so dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was too much dust. I couldn't even see it.
I know. They're so dangerous. And I got to make a whole video to talk about these and warn people.
Yeah, we went over and went back into it.
Oh my, but you guys are okay?
Yeah. You think you give me a ride to watch 4 right here?
You have your helmets on?
Yeah,
Yeah.
get over now.
No, I can give you a ride.
Yeah. How'd you know? He said he'll give me a ride. I'll go back to it.
Alright.
You want to ride to your buddy or whatever?
Just tell them to bring the drugs to take off the wheel so we can ratchet the control arm up. So they can just move me back.
Jump in, brother.
There's the impact gun, the RV. Bring the impact gun, get the battery from the boat drive for the airplane.
Yeah.
And then bring my swap. And then
I'm gonna make a whole, this video right now is a warning video for these figure eights. These things, our past money should pay to have a tractor come out and fill these in. And don't ever make them again. People can die right here on these. These guys are lucky that that's all that happened to their car. Come on in, we're doing it. We're gonna help this guy out, take him back to his camp. Where's your camp?
Oh, watch 4. This way.
Watch 4, you got it, dude.
And then the end of watch 4.
Man. Well, at least you guys are all right.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Dude, you can't even see them.
No, we couldn't.
And it's just like dusty like this. And even if you're going like, how fast were you going?
Oh, we were going pretty fast, I think.
Oh, you're scooting?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
We were gonna go this way to avoid the bushes, and we went deep in.
And you went right in the damn thing.
Yeah.
Dang it.
We thought it was like this, a lift, but then it was a bigger hole.
Oh, man. That sucks.
Yeah.
You can fix a car. At least you're all right.
Yeah.
I hit one of those on my quad.
Oh, really?
Dude, I almost broke my shoulder. It was gnarly. And it wasn't even dusty.
No?
No, I was just zipping along and they come out of nowhere.
Yeah.
And I tell everybody, don't make those things. I know they're cool for the kids to ride in, but...
Oh, people make them?
Yeah, from riding around in circles.
Oh.
They ride around the bushes and stuff and then they get created.
Oh.
They suck. All right, where are you at? You should be almost, wait, the fire was at 6.
That's up right there.
That's you?
Yeah.
Which one?
This camp right here?
Oh, this big boy?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang. He's got the big dog ram. That thing.
Yeah.
Is that where the car goes on there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, brother.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Hey, no problem. You got enough help, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, be careful, dude.
Thank you.
Dude, I'm sorry about that.
It's all good.
That friggin' sucks. Find me on YouTube, and that way you can... Sandblast Extreme Adventures.
Alright, sounds good. I'll follow you.
Yeah, check it out. I'm gonna make a video and talk all about those, and I'm gonna use you guys as an example. Okay, unfortunately,
that's all good. Thank you.
If you don't mind.
No, we don't mind.
Right on, dude.
We're other players and stuff.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
We'll see ya. This video is to talk to you about these figure eights. These figure eights are so dangerous, and I've wanted to tell you guys about them. I know everybody knows. I know those are there, Tim. But a lot of people don't know. And a lot of people don't see these things. And now I want to talk about it in this perfect situation. These guys said I could talk about it. Look at how huge this is. Look at how huge this is right here. And when he's coming through here and he's going straight like this, you can just barely see that. and he came right through here, and you could die right here. People have died on these. I hit one of these on a quad once. I think I hit it on my motorcycle and I pulled that off because I was able to jump the whole friggin' thing. But these things are so dangerous. They need to bring a tractor out and fill this whole thing in. This is the stuff we should be spending our pass money on.
If you want to tell your people, it's important to have those seat harnesses, because that's what saved us from flying out the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because we have the harnesses on the seat.
Because you got the full harness, huh?
Yeah, the PPR ones.
Dude, yeah, I'm making a video right now. I'm talking about it. I was just headed back to camp. I gotta go, but I'm like, this is so important to talk about it. Because you can't even see this.
I jumped right over it.
And look, at the road goes straight right into this thing.
Exactly. Yep.
That's what I'm saying is our pass money, they should fill these in with a tractor. Because these are so dangerous.
Yeah, I didn't even see it.
And everybody's gonna say, oh, you should slow down. You know what? I don't care if you're going 20 miles an hour. You can barely see these things. I've come up to them. Even if you just hit there and hit here,
you're still gonna break something.
You're still gonna break something.
Yeah.
But when you hit there and fly all the way to there, you can die.
Yeah.
You could die, dude. I'm so glad you guys are all right.
Yeah.
So all you guys out there, I want you to know that they're right here. This is like wash 6 or 7.
6 or 7 in the middle.
It might be 6. So they're right here. His door's open.
Oh shoot.
He's gonna lose a door. Yeah. I did that last weekend though, so don't worry, he'll recover. I did. And then there's a bunch of these down at Wash 10 down there. Yes.
Oh,
some really bad ones down at Wash 10. And check this out. This is what I'm saying. You can't even see these. There it is right there, and it's huge. Huge. Get to ride on. I know they're cool. Oh my
God. Nothing you can do when you're in the air.
There's nothing you can do. Oh man. Hey, you got a nice big Dodge with a trailer coming to get you though.
Yeah, I know, yeah. There's
a big rig. Look at the damage. But that's not what the video's about. The video's not about the damaged car, because that can be fixed.
Yeah.
But your face and your neck and your back, you might even be sore.
Yeah.
But he's got, what do we got? PRP seats. We got PRP seat harnesses, dude. So you think those harnesses saved you?
Oh yeah, 100%. If I would have had the regular buckle seat, I probably would have flew out the car.
Really?
Yeah, it was a pretty hard hit.
All right, PRP. This one's for you, I guess. You guys saved this dude. But this sucks, brother. I'm really bummed for you.
Yeah, I know. The trip ended a little early.
I'm really bummed, but that's all right. You know what you're gonna do?
It doesn't look too bad.
No, dude.
Axle.
It's cheap.
Yeah.
It's cheap.
Good thing it yanked the axle out. It didn't break it in there.
Nah, you'll get a new one.
Yeah.
It might have popped it out. Oh, you keep it as a spare.
Yeah, exactly. I think it just pulled it out.
Yeah. No, you can get that fixed. You can get yourself some nice heavy duty HCR.
Yeah, exactly.
And some HCR A-arms.
Yep.
It doesn't look that bad.
Nah, I think it was just that left side that it hit hard on. The right side seems like it might be fine.
Check that out.
Oh damn, little ball.
Found a little ball bearing. Oh, it's probably came out of, no, it probably came out of your axle, dude. We found the ball bearing out of his axle. I'll bet you it did.
Yeah, because this side seems pretty good.
Man, we got some air on this tire over here.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry, bud.
It's alrighty.
But you're all right, dude.
Yeah, that's what matters.
Hey, you got a good attitude, bro. I got a YouTube channel.
What is it called?
Sandblast Extreme Adventures.
All right, I'll check it out.
In full disclosure, but I hate to use you guys as an example.
Hey, it's better for us to learn from us then.
Yeah, I know. My buddy did it 2 trips ago on New Year's.
Right here?
In his YXZ. YXZ right here.
Oh,
right here on this one.
Wow.
He did it. So, all right. We're going to stop filming. Everybody else got here. So, but I'm glad you're all right, dude.
Yeah, that's what matters.
Okay. Oh my gosh, see? It can get
same place?
even the pros. Like, you guys been coming here a long time, right?
Yeah, like this is our...
And it got you, dude. I mean, I've run into them in the dark last night.
Yeah, but...
I was scared I was gonna hit one last night. Oh, there's one of those figure 8s. Look at that, you could hit one of those too. Holy moly.
I hit right there too.
up and down really like fast, you know, and they don't even know what's going
Yeah,
on.
but even slow, I've come into these, and you'll hit just one side of them. Dude, even the best of the best get taken out by these things. So just watch out for these figure eights, man. They're friggin' dangerous. We got a whole crew here gonna help out. Take that wheel off before he gets it out of there. How big and deep these freaking things are. Look at this. I'm literally down in it. This thing is as tall as my head. Look at it. I'm down in it. It's this freaking tall. This is insane. They got a truck coming here is gonna pull them out. But I just want to give you guys a little warning about these things. I'm sure everybody knows they're here and everybody's gonna rag on it. They're gonna go, dude, you should just slow down. But you know what? It happens to the best of everybody. It takes people out. You don't see them, even when it's not dusty. Even on the small weekends. When there's nobody out here, it still happens. And for the rest of you out there, watch out for these figure eights. They're nuts. BLM, if you can, bring a tractor out here and fill this crap in, because this is something that should be filled in my opinion. So, and the ones down at 10, they're down at 10. So that's this video. Watch out for these figure eights. I hope this video helps somebody, saves somebody's life, or else just stops from this carnage and disappointment is all that we have here. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you out in the sand.